So NASA launched a mission. I think it was November 23rd. So that was like this past week.
Yeah.
Called the DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test Mission. Now, this has been something so cool that when I was like smaller, I just like dreamed of.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Like you heard of, I'm sure, like just trying to redirect an asteroid that's coming straight for Earth.
Yeah, yeah.
And now they're actually trying it, which is just crazy to think about. So they used a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, took off November 23rd. Mission will reach its destination next year, September, so 2022.
Okay. I was going to ask that.
It's targeting, this is Greek, or I guess Latin, Dimorphos, a small moon orbiting the near-Earth asteroid Didymus. They're basically two asteroids. They're circling each other. So spacecraft will be speeding towards this asteroid at about 24,140 kilometers an hour, which is 15,000 miles per hour.
Kind of fast, a little bit.
And yeah, they just aim to deliberately crash it in to change the motion and see if anything happens.
That would be very cool, and also potentially life-saving.
Of
like
course.
A lot of lives.
Yeah.
In the case of an asteroid heading towards Earth.
Yeah. So everything's going to be filmed. There is one, what is it called? There's one thing orbiting around asteroids already, like monitoring them. I forget what the exact proper name is.
Okay.
Plus, the DART mission has its own little camera. It's going to deploy it right before it hits, and it'll just check for what happened. So we'll be able to watch it all. It's pretty cool.
That is, but if it's going at it like that fast, it hits it and it redirects it. It doesn't like cause it to shatter or break or anything.
No.
Because if it's going that fast, wouldn't it? I don't know. Maybe I'm just like...
It's not that small. It's big. Like, it's a big asteroid. So they only plan to change its direction by 1%, I think it said in the article. Mm-hmm. Plus, if you want to read more, I'll link the article in the description.
Yes. So you can hear from the actual scientists.
Yes. So yeah, it's not like 1% might not sound like a lot.
No, but
it's a huge difference.
Yeah.
In terms of like where it's positioned. So I'm excited.
That's very cool.
It's cool. And yeah, as you said, like just potentially life-saving kind of stuff. So
the only thing that sucks about like space missions like this is how long we have to wait for the result. Yeah. Because you hear about it, you're like, this is so cool. And then by the time it's actually happening, you've like almost forgot about it at this point. Yeah. And then you're like, oh my God, I forgot about this. So cool.
Yeah. Just like the Mars mission.
Yeah.
That also pretty much took a year, I think.
Yeah. Well, because that takes 6 months to get to Mars.
Yeah. Okay.
I remember that from, 6 months each way. Yeah. If you were doing a round trip. Mm-hmm. But yeah, when it's at its closest.
Yes. Okay.
I remember that from Earth and Space Science.
Oh.
I like space. Space is cool.
Okay.
But I didn't hear about this actually, so it was cool to hear about.
This is sick. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, dang, man. What's next? We're going to Mars next. Elon.
Yo.
Take us to Mars.
I'm willing to wait that 6 months, to be honest.
Yeah, but there's also like tons of radiation from the sun and potential like cancer.
Yes.
Which
Spacesuit?
I don't think that
doesn't protect you.
I'm not okay. Now we're getting into territory that I don't actually know the answers to, but I don't think so. Uh-huh. I know I was reading before, again, in Earth and Space Science, that water, it is very good to like stop radiation.
Okay.
But they can't really put water around the whole ship without it being like way too heavy.
Yeah, that's right.
So I don't know. I don't know how they're how you solve that, because then Mars also has like no atmosphere, so there's also radiation on Mars,
Right.
unless you're like living under caves, which
Yeah.
I mean, I think that's kind of like the only way you can live on Mars right now
Yeah.
if you were to go there. So I don't know.
One day we'll see. We'll make
Yeah.
another episode when we go to Mars.
Yes. If we're still
An episode
around.
on Mars.
What's up? No, that was
Whoa.
what's up, guys? Darkroom podcast on Mars today in our spacesuits and all. Like,
Yeah.
would it be vlog style? I could see it like that. Like,
Yeah.
what's up, guys? Check out this canyon behind us. Might have just blocked that camera a little bit.
That's okay.
Oops. Anyway, yeah, that's cool. That's exciting stuff. And space just always gets me interested. I am good to talk about space whenever. So
All
feel
right.
free to bring it up.
Glad.
I don't know if you guys want to hear about that. Let us know. I know
Yeah.
it's a little different from what we talked about. It's still tech, though. It's still tech.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There
It's
you go.
really advanced
Yes.
and stuff that we don't entirely know
Yeah.
what we're talking about with, but that's okay.
We'll learn. How about that? We'll try and do at least a little bit more research.
Yes.
If we're going into something it's a little
Yes.
more difficult.
Yeah, unlike what I was just saying just now about all that stuff that I didn't research, but I kind of learned it in Earth and Space Science. Quite rusty, so do not take my word for any of that.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure. I also didn't know that this was going to be a topic, or I would have looked into it more.
Yes. Right.
And also, we didn't know it was going to go to where it went. Anyway.
It's okay. All right.